Hello everybody! This video is to show you how you can use your web to literally host a program, and the feature is provided by Restream and it's called Live Studio. To do that, open your browser and type Restream address, which is restream.io. Enter and your landing page will look like this. If you have not got an account, you can sign up for a free account with Restream, or if you have one, just log in, click the login, and you get to this page. Type in your credentials and hit login. This is your dashboard, the page you'll find, and in your dashboard you see I've already added my channels, but you can add channels and it will bring you to this page. You choose from among any of those, and these ones you may have to upgrade your subscription. You will have to. On the left are the hidden menus with more features. To log out, you would choose the three dots you see on your left. These channels, you can toggle them on or off or all together to stream to them. On your right is where I really want to go to Live Studio. Click on that, brings you to Live Studio, and immediately, if your camera is on, you land with your camera there, with your picture there. There are the different displays you can have for your guests. If it's you alone, if you have double, triple, how many guests you have, you can choose your screen display from one of those pictures there. And below are your controls, your mic, your camera. You can share your screen, bring in something. You have invite your guest there and copy the URL and send it out by whatever means you want, email, WhatsApp, whatever the means you want to invite your guest by. There you can have your Zoom channel brought in and more features. You can click on them to see what they are. That's the settings, and in settings now you can have more than one camera brought in if you need. Switch between them, set them up so that you can use them. You can have audio, you can have different resolutions to stream at, and the features are there. You toggle the switch on or off, and now I'm in waiting room, I'm calling it. When I need to go back online, you have to toggle that on, and I won't be in black anymore, black and white. On your right, this is your captions, and captions will allow you to have type your captions or lower thirds, where you type whatever it is you want to flash across the screen as the guests come on, or as your guests, or whatever it is. You can type that name, and you can add them for each guest as they show. And the next one is your graphics. This is where you make your lower third. You change the color of it and the display of it by choosing. So that one is the round one. That was the news of run along the base of the screen, and that is just the ordinary one, the default one if you choose none. And you see there you can choose a color, and there are some other features that you can change there. You could input one that will always show as a lower third there. I like the rounded one. Below you can have a logo, you can have screen overlay, as that one is. I deliberately, you can have background, you can change your background there, and you can bring in videos, and you can add to the collection that is already there. And the last one is your setup, where you could set it up when we just landed into the dashboard, or you can set it up here. It would reflect there as well. When you have inputted your title and description, you would update all, and it would propagate through all your channels at the same time. Now we're going to simulate a program, and I'm sending the link to someone so that that guest can join me in the show. I'm sending it by WhatsApp. So here now, when that guest gets it, she has to join me via phone with her audio and her video, of course. And there is the guest. And the guest is in. And we can toggle the switch at the top where the guest is and the host is. Now we're simulating a program now. So in simulation, we have the countdown. Make sure you set up your show. Everything is ready. And your co-host can be in charge of this switching while you focus on your guest and what you're going to say. So the countdown is taking place, and I'm ready to greet my guest. Good day, guest. How are you? It's nice to have you. And I'm saying all that. Now, when the show is finished, before that, there I switch to the double screen, and I want to change it to have my guest in, and when I'm ready to have just one person, I maximize it or I turn it off. Now, when I'm, of course, all of this, when you're ready, you must go live by clicking the button at the top. So I'm live. I haven't said that this is a simulation. And I toggle my switches on to the channels that I want to stream to. I find that this feature is quite unique, quite useful. You might find reasons to use it. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, everyone.